Hi everyone, today I will show you how to convert your amount in that format. For example, you want to write here 12,000, it will convert in 12k. You want to write here 12 million, it will convert in 2.0 million. Same way, any other amount, 100k, it will convert in 100k. So how we can do this, I will show you here. Just type any amount, thousands. Here you will mention 1 million. So we have to convert these amounts in K, 12k and 1m. So select that area, press Ctrl 1. When you press Ctrl 1, it will open format cells. In format cells, go in custom, remove general. Here you have to open this bracket. Let me zoom it. So in that bracket you will mention less than if amount is less than 1 million. Then you have to close the bracket, use space, then 0.0 comma, use K semicolon space. Again you have to type 0.0 double comma space, in inverted comma you have to mention M, again inverted comma. So that is the trick where you can convert your amount in million and in K. So again you can see open bracket, less than 1 million, close bracket, space 0.0 comma K semicolon, again space 0.0 double comma, again space, in inverted comma you have to mention M. So when you can see here in that area still it's showing 12,000 and 1 million in numbers. So by using this one and selecting that cell, when we click on OK, see it will convert in 12.k and 1m. I hope you like this. Thank you so much for watching this video.